morning, yeah, all. So this is the last week in Bangalore for me. I will be relocating to someplace else, and I am pretty excited as well as sad at the same time. Although I'm not sad about leaving Bangalore, but I'm sad about leaving this place because I really like this house. Don't know how it's gonna turn out, but yeah, it's gonna be a documentary of my last week in Bangalore. So excited for it. What's the harm on filming, right? So I just woke up. Yesterday was off. Today is also my off. Tomorrow I'm gonna report sick because I still have to complete my packing, and tomorrow I'm like sending my stuff over to Silas's place to keep because I don't want to send it all the way back home because it's going to be a hassle to bring it back to another place that I'm going to be going. Everything is a mess. Everything is out. I've packed most of my stuff from the living space. Very few items remaining, and this is all the stuff that I could pack till now. Although the movers and packers people, they pack it, but I like to pack my stuff by myself. So if you see all these pouches, like all until here, from this back till there, it's all my clothes. These are like the tiny knick-knack stuff. This is for my table, which I have to assemble and have to pack. This is the mattress. I have to pack these. I need to deassemble this as well. I need to pack these two. That is the table I need to disassemble. I'm gonna leave this couch. This is a foldable bed sofa. This table, this shelf here, because I don't want to take it with me. I'm gonna buy it there only. And look at this. This is my brand new trolley from National Miles or Miller, whatever. What was the company name? Wait, National. I'm not even like taking the plastic. Yeah, National Miles. It's available in Amazon also, but if you go to the official website, you're gonna get more discount. I have onda bun, but I've also added some chicken salami and added bulldog sauce and sandwich bread so that it's not very suka, and I'm having it with coffee. It is pretty cloudy today, kind of like overcast. So I just did some laundries, hung it up there, and I also washed my cleaning supplies, soya supplies, because I don't want to pack them dirty. So yeah, I've still not started with the kitchen packing because I was eating, I was like washing clothes and stuff. Now I'm gonna get started with the kitchen packing. So today it's just gonna be me packing stuff, I guess. Bengaluru. Ah, the sky looks so pretty though. My house. Fun or scroll. I've still not made my bed, don't judge. One down. I don't know how many to go. The kitchen is also almost done. And here I have biryani. And this, I believe, raita and gravy. So my tenants are pretty chill. They're really sweet people. And auntie wanted to meet me before I go, so she made biryani at home and got for me. That was like so sweet of her. So yeah, that is what's gonna be my lunch now. I'm gonna quickly eat and sleep because I'm so sleepy. Because I'm so freaking sleepy. After that, I have this area to take care of. I'm just gonna pack those masala, mirch and everything, and then I'm pretty much done. Now, since I've packed most of my stuff, only the plastic ones and steel are out. So this is what I'm having. Itadakimasu. Mashita. Weather looking fine. And I've made myself some coffee, so yeah. If you have sweet tooth, then this is the best. Came to the terrace for a walk. I don't know, I feel kind of stuffed inside. So yeah, leaving Bangalore, leaving my job. It's mixed feeling. It feels like all the other buildings are sitting down and this is the only one that's standing up. And that is also the direction where the airport is, so you know, in the night I used to look for departures from here. Last night with the furniture's in the house. I'm making myself some ramen. Even the kitchen is so empty. Ramen without anda is like momo without achar. Itadakimasu. Sleep. Tomorrow is a big day, so I'm asleep now, watching series. And some paratha and anda for breakfast with some tea. Some patti. Waiting for the movers and packers to come.